Hi guys, welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to install Node.js on Windows 11. First open your favorite browser and type Node.js download. Click on the first link. Now click on Package Installer. Click on the version to select the version. Only use the LTS versions. Do not use current versions as you might face some issues. If you are using other operating systems, you can choose from here. Here I am selecting version 20.17.0 LTS. After selecting the version, click on the download. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads tab and double-click on the Node.js installer. Click on Next and accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. Click on Next, 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 and click on Install. Once it is installed, click on Finish. Now click on the Windows icon and type CMD and hit Enter. In the command prompt, type Node-V and hit Enter. You can see the version of Node.js installed. Now type npm-version and hit Enter. It will show the version of the npm installed. Now let's check if our Node.js is working or not. Type Node and hit Enter. You will see a message welcoming us to the node. Now type console.log (hello) and hit Enter. Boom, it's working. Thanks for watching. Bye.